They shouldn't have went from this middle lane to go into there, but they did. Not a lot of gear. Now, this is where you rescue another rider. This is where you learn how to do it. If you're a car driver witnessing this stuff, knowing what to do could possibly save his life. I believe he's still alive. I believe he's fine. But he could be, that looks like he's unconscious. Pretty scary. Pretty scary stuff. All right, so we have multiple people riding. I don't know if these people are together. They quite possibly could be. When you're side by side like this, your headlights actually create a lot of vision, so that's really cool. I like to ride side by side at night because of that massive amount of vision your headlights put out. So you have a car up ahead. It turned left into that middle lane. It was in the right lane, and I think that was to pass that other motorcyclist. What's happening here is the motorcyclists that are about to collide, the one that's about to collide, are going faster than the normal traffic, and quite possibly the driver just did not see him. Remember, we have just the single headlights, and it looks like we blend in with all the other lights. Look at all the other lights. And there's the impact, okay? So he is going too fast for what he can do. He's not situationally aware. Maybe he's just cruising, has music on, and he's just like looking forward. He sees the person in the middle lane. He's just going to go. He doesn't witness the brake lights. Remember, brake lights mean they're making a decision. There's absolutely no reason for a car to use the brake lights right here, especially when there's a green intersection coming up. There's no reason to. So that's that uncommon thing in a common situation. They're making a decision to go left, to go right, or stop because there's an object in the path of travel of that car. And if that's the case, it could be in your path of travel. So you be very cautious. As soon as you see brake lights when there's not supposed to be brake lights, orange stage, prepped and ready for anything. But sometimes this stuff happens. Sometimes it could happen to you even with the best situation awareness, the best fundamental skills. So what is it that you can do to minimize potential life-threatening or life-altering injuries? Wear full gear. Make sure you wear full gear, okay? Wear full gear. Because right here, it could have been mitigated. Could have been mitigated quite a bit with full gear. Full face helmet, impact protection on the shoulders, elbows, back, your legs, hips, boots, gloves, all those things. Very, very important to have full gear. And if you don't have full gear, I mean, we have a giveaway going on. I mean, you could potentially win at least $400 in Revzilla gift cards to buy yourself some gear. Another thing is if you see somebody like this, it's always good to have medical training because you could potentially save their life.